Here's my reminder to Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, with all due respect, just stop posting about against Duterte. Don't you even know that I have been told that to Jardino. I said to him, please remind Mark Cruz not too much posting about nonsense over at Duterte family. You know, Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be non-partisan. Everyone are angry at you, Mark Cruz. Just remember, you need to stop posting lots of nonsense. Alright? Just be remember. Because you know, Roylan Marlang had said to me, pakisabihan mo lang si Mark Cruz, wag siya magpo-post kung anong nonsense about political. He has to be non-partisan. If I were you, Mark Cruz, make a public apology to the Duterte family. Or if you don't apologize to the Duterte family, I say to Mark Cruz, let's have boxing. First of all, how would you criticize the Duterte family? Have a real situation. Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. I say again, Mark Cruz. He was hospitalized from the ICC. They have medical doctors in the Netherlands. And then it's this what you like to treating the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte, Veronica Kitty Duterte, you saying bad words with the F word. You know, I'm not saying bad words too, alright? It's simple. You need to stop to saying those nasty words or nasty languages. Whenever you say a bad words, you need to stop. I told by Christian Mingito, I will stop accusing Mark Cruz. And Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, he has to stop bashing the Duterte family. For me, Mark Cruz, do I bash Teacher May? That she is very sick. She has stage 3 colon cancer. Do I even bash her? No. Why did you bash Rodrigo Duterte? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. He is very sick. He has illness. If I'm just saying again, unlike Teacher May, who has stage 3 colon cancer, Rodrigo Duterte was detained in The Hague in Netherlands due to the crimes against humanity. And he has an illness because he's a senior citizen. Like Rodrigo Duterte has an illness. He's older than Nanay Vanji. He's older than Mami Ellen. Why did you criticize Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz? If I were you, here's my warning to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. First of all, delete that post about against Rodrigo Duterte. Veronica Duterte, Sara Duterte, Baste Duterte, and even Paulo Duterte and Sara Duterte. Delete that. And people will get angry at you, Mark Cruz. Don't you even know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, that Rodrigo Duterte, during the presidency, to fight against criminals, to fight against rapists, drug addict, even those people who are drug addict, who are pickpocketing, and even lots of crimes in the Metro Manila, in the Philippines, or petty crimes. Don't you even know there's lots of crimes in the Philippines? Murder, rapist, robbery. Have you seen in what happened in the house of Aris Clemente? He was being robbed. And he was mobbed. I mean, he was robbed, right? He was robbed his house. He steal the car and he steal the money. Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? Criticizing against Duterte? It's all nonsense. You know, Christian Mingito, wake up. Show your mind that your imbecile friend, Mark Cruz, is not actually autism. He's a drug addict. He's an antisocial personality disorder. Just like Zachary, just like Michael Sarmiento. That was a tutorial from Teacher May, Zachary. And that was a student of Teacher Marisa named Michael Sarmiento. You know, Mark Cruz, stop bullying Duterte family. You don't know what you're talking about. Don't you even know Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, that Teacher Jessa, that her husband, Calvin Cuevas, I mentioned. His ninong is Rodrigo Duterte. Don't you even know that Ate Hana and Kuya Mel had met Rodrigo Duterte and Bongo? And they posted in Facebook, of Ate Hana. They got selfie with Bongo, You don't know what you're talking about? You know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, there is karma to you. If the Duterte supporters bash you on social media, don't blame anybody. Blame yourself. You're allied with Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, G. Macasandil, Nino Barsaga, Romeo TV Vlog, Sangkay Janjan, and other Marcos loyalists. You've been allied with them. Are you nuts, Mark Cruz? You've been allied with Carl Villos and then you criticize Juan Carlo Pabale. And if I don't want to say to you, Mark Cruz, I want to tell you something. You better to apologize to the Duterte family and you better to shut up. You better to shut the fuck up, Mark Cruz. I'm sorry for my bad words. If Paula Nunez is watching this in my YouTube video, the viewers will never make me angry. And I'm just criticizing Mark Cruz. If I want to tell you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, manahimik ka na lang. Tigilan mo na ang mga pagmumura mo sa mga Duterte. Like I said, you do not say a bad words. Look at me, Mark Cruz. Do I realize that I curse Nanay Ningning with the word asshole word? Because you're the one who cursing the word the asshole. You cursing me a bad words many times. What kind of person are you? Do you realize that you went to church? Let me ask you something, Mark Cruz. In Bible and Christianity, in born again Christian, of course, Shania Kiana and Christian Mingito, who were born again Christian. Even Wawel Romero as well. When you judge anybody in social media, do not judge the Duterte family. Remember, Mark Cruz, the Duterte family are born again Christian. Rodrigo Duterte is born again Christian. And you better to apologize.